It's the morning of October 19th. Just starting up. We had a trace amount of rain about 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Just really not much of anything. They said it was going to be more than it was. The sun just came out. It's about 11 a.m. The wind's been blowing all morning. We know it's going to go. But so I got all my side covers off. Gonna do some greasing around the bottom, up on the rotor area. It's handy that they got these things on there to show you which ones are which, but we've kind of got a pretty good idea now. We're gonna look the head over, fuel it up, and we're in a 65-acre bean field that the boys got opened up last night. One of the night guys, he went until 1:30, so that was super nice. He's got this field opened up. I only got to go around it one more time. Just got to walk along, and I don't see anything that needs to be replaced. Yesterday, these metal fingers, they make plastic replacements. So when we get one that goes, we generally put a plastic one in, or fiberglass, whatever they're made out of. They break instead of going through the combine. Anyway, yesterday, all of a sudden the sickle just stopped dead in its tracks, and I smelt the burning belt at the end, just like Zach, Millennial Farmer. I had one of those metal fingers, just wham, right here, and it locked it up. I thought that was the strangest thing, and it wasn't from this year. It was from, like, it had rusted, and it had been from years ago, but go figure, huh? I thought that was funny when I watched Zach's video this morning. I'm like, huh, just had that happen too. Enough talking, I better get greasing, and let's get picking beans. You know, I'd be willing to bet, it's probably not that bad, but cleaning off a soybean machine is probably the farming equivalent of getting tarred and feathered. Especially if you get some hydraulic oil on you and the soybean dust blows on you. It is so itchy. But hey, we're serviced. I wear a sweatshirt so I can take it off and be comfortable in the cab now. Off we go. Yeah, I just realized I don't have any video of picking today. Started in, got about 15 acres done. Blew the hose that runs the field tracker, which is the side-to-side motion on these case machines. That hose runs like from the side of the machine up to the middle of the feeder house. There's a little mini hydraulic ram inside the feeder house. So we had to take the head off, and we've done it before though, so we kind of knew what we were doing. So got that hose switched out. I caught it right away. I didn't lose much hydraulic oil. All of a sudden, poof, it sprayed the side window. And so it was in a good spot. Sometimes the leak is down in the feeder house and then you don't notice it right away. But this is the patch of weeds right here in the corner. Caught it right away, switched that out, and then some of these weeds, I got plugged up for a little bit, got that unplugged, and I'm back out here now about 10 o'clock at night, and the wind is really blowing, so we're still going. Closing in on, like, well, we're probably at like the 50-acre mark for today, so we're a little behind. Like yesterday they did about 100 acres, so we're a little behind today, but we had that rain this morning too that kind of slowed us down. So all in all, now that we're back moving, you know, knock on wood, it's going well. So that was the one thing I was going to say. What was I going to say yesterday? But the beans are right at that optimal moisture where they're not shattering on the head, and they're going right through the combine super nice. So it's kind of like, you know, push time. You know, we'll go late. You know, what's the saying? If the wind's right, we'll go all night. I plan on going a little late here just because everything's going so nice. It was about 60 degrees today, not quite as warm as yesterday, which was 70, 71 or something. But tomorrow's high is like 41. So we're gonna have a cool off. Which isn't all that bad, but these nice, warm, sunny, warm days really pull the beans around, especially when you get a little rain or dew in the morning. That really makes all the difference in the world. So, yeah, just a little update from the field here. Now we're going with the dust. You know, it kind of hangs right in front of the lights for a second, and then it gets blowing that way. So, still able to go. Well, 2 in the morning. Time to go home. Yeah. This belt, pretty well shot. Should do the trick. New belt here. Did this one while we're at it. We should be back up and running. This is the rotor. Let's see if we did this right. Oh, it's a beautiful thing, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful thing. We're Case IH mechanics. Off and running. Everything seems to be working good again, and belts replaced. They're going to start in. I got to go to work though, so I'm taking off for the night. So it was just a day of wrenching for me, just an afternoon. It took us probably 3 hours to put that on, take it off and put it on. It's a little more of a job than people think, but all's good now. It's back on. So with that, hope you guys have a good night as well. As always, be safe, and we'll check you guys next time.